Hello everyone! Today in this video, I'll show you how to set a password for your computer so that when you turn it on, you'll need to enter the password to access Windows. It's a quick and easy method. Let's get started. First, click on the Start button, then select Settings. Then click on Accounts, followed by Sign In Options. Now, as you can see, there are several options and methods for adding a password. We'll select the password option, which allows us to use letters and numbers. Now, enter your password in the first box, repeat the same password in the second box, and in the last field, type the name you prefer. Now let's restart the computer to make sure the password we set is working properly upon restarting. Now we'll enter the password. As you can see, it works perfectly. Finally, if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more updates.